Karen. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we are doing an unboxing video. So I'm so excited to share to you guys what I've got. And I just got this box from the mail yesterday. Are you guys excited what we have right now? So let's get into it. So here's the box. Let's open it up. So here are the bags that I've got. So I didn't got the gift card bag box because I don't need it. So this one would be enough. And this is the first bag. And this is the second bag. So let's get started. So this is the first bag. I've been wanting this bag for so long. I remember when I was in Japan, we had gifted one of our friend with this color. So this is in black and gold, which I really love. I forget the name of the bag. So this is the large crossbody jet set item. I've been wanting this bag. I remember I bought one in Amazon as well. It was on brown and pink, and then I just decided to give it as a gift to one of the to my friend's daughter. But I really prefer this one because this one is made of real leather. The other one that I gave to my friend, it is made of faux leather. It is very structured. So this is what it looks on the inside. Sorry, I didn't move everything out. So as you guys can see on the inside, it's very spacious. Like I said, I've been wanting this color, particularly this bag in black and gold. I saw this in black and silver as well, but more leaning towards black and gold because as you guys know, black and gold are a very classic color. So let's see the other one too. So let me just take this out of the way. So this is the other bag. So this is the bag. I've been wanting this bag too for a while now, and I've been looking at this and this size, but not in color brown, but in color white because I'm super loving the white bags. So this one is an inspired bag for the LV Capuchin. As you guys can see in here, the details of this Michael Kors right here, and then let's check this one too. And then for the strap, this one is braided. So I got this one in small size, and this is the Michael Kors Karlie. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. This one is it has also the crossbody bag. The strap, so which is really handy because I have two kids. It is also a very versatile bag. I'm really into versatile bags, especially because I have kids. I can use this as an evening bag. At the same time, I can use this just a casual bag, which is really loving it. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Let me just open up. So on the inside is we have one slip compartment in here at the back, and there's also 1, 2, 3. So there's a three card slots right here. I'm sorry if the background was a little bit loud. My kids are playing in the game room, and you can actually hear their voice from the vent inside the room. So this is the bag, and this is the other one. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys again next time for the next review and what fits inside these two bags. Bye!